Hey everyone, today I want to talk about model quality evaluation. If you remember last time we learned something about objects, samples, target values, and so on. Also, we tried to practice in our first lab, and we got some result. So right now, let's imagine that we want to find a unified way how we can check if our model does great job or it does a bad job. We want to check how it works for different objects, or maybe we want to test a bit different model but on the same object and to try to find the best model that solves this particular task. So for all these things we need to have particular way how we can measure efficiency of particular executions, particular algorithms, and how they do their job. And that's the moment when we are coming towards model quality evaluation. Very basic, quick example with weather to see what is one of the way to find towards our model quality. How to predict errors is to see two models doing their prediction. First one got 32 degrees and second one 18 degrees. Prediction of what the temperature tomorrow. And the real result was 25. So we can see both of our models made mistake. First one said 7 more degrees and the second model said less, did mistake on 7 degrees less than the real result. So basically how we manually can calculate the error of both models. We can subtract from our prediction, we can subtract ground truth, our actual temperature, and we'll get 7 and minus 7 for the second model. Both of the absolute values will be the same, 7 degrees. But we can actually square the result and get 49. This is one of the possible operation that we can use in machine learning just to get our positive and negative errors symmetrical. So yes, this is the key inside that we have to have particular measurement for different situations, and that measurement has to work identically for different situations within particular task, within particular problem that we have. That is actually loss function. And some basic stuff about functions. I'm not sure if I have to talk about this much. It's basic school stuff that we have x as an input and y as an output, and f is kind of the process, the way how we process x to make y out of it. This transformation, this process of using particular inputs as an argument, as arguments, and getting a particular result called a function. And in this case, we will build our loss functions. And in loss function, we place our predictions, our real target values as inputs, and we get our error as an output, as the output. So very basic stuff till now. And in the next lesson, we'll talk just a bit about functions. And I hope we'll go quick. And okay, and see you in the next video. Bye. Thank you.